Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Edge panel settings so you can relocate the handle. This is the how, and the why is control. Position affects reachability. Once done, make sure Edge panels are enabled in display, then swipe the existing handle to open the panel. Tap the small gear or settings link visible on the edge, because that brings up customization and position options. You're now in the right place to choose which side the handle lives on and to adjust its sensitivity and size. Now you select right edge as the new position. This tells the system to render the handle on that side, improving access for right-handed reach. Tap position and pick right, then tweak handle vertical placement so it sits near your thumb zone. Adjust sensitivity and height to avoid accidental triggers, and preview the panel so you can confirm its behavior. If you use gesture navigation, make sure the handle doesn't conflict with back or swipe gestures, as that will cause interference while you use apps. Finish by applying and saving the changes, because the system needs that confirmation to move the handle permanently. Close settings and test the Edge panel from the right side in several apps and with screen rotation, since some apps can block overlays. If the handle doesn't appear, make sure Edge panels are still enabled. Then try resetting Edge settings or rebooting the device to clear temporary conflicts. If problems persist, disable conflicting gestures or update the system, which often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.